Afternoon traders all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex trading course 101. Hello Akos, how are you? And we are starting the Forex trading week, everybody. If this is your first time, the Forex trading week is where we are going to implement what we have learned and start to make some pips, right? Start to make some money. Ciao Giuseppe, come stai? Hola Zuelios, tudo bem? Feliz férias, como se fala? Como se diz? Hello Miguel, hello VA, sir, how are you? Remember the three pillars. We are trying to build a strategy and or a system that we understand. We are trying to learn how the risk management works inside the strategy and or the system. And the big one, we are trying to learn how our psychology affects our risk management and our strategy and or system. So if this is your first time, everybody, we are starting the Forex trading week where we are going to implement what we have learned so far and try to make some pips and money. Remember, the webinars are not trading or investment advice, everybody. Okay, so if you're a complete trader, demo trade first. Okay, and also remember 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market. Feriado, isso aí, feriado. 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. For homeworks and or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. Hello Santano, hello Patak. Sir, that being said, everybody, tell me a currency pair that you want to check. Or maybe you are in a trade that you don't understand why you are losing. Or maybe you lost a trade, everybody. And remember, in the Forex trading week we are trying to implement what we have learned so far. So structure, the market wave, the trends, and the trend lines. And where to put the stop loss, where to put the take profit. Okay? This is why the Forex trading week is for. Hello, time to shine, sir. And remember, first comes, first is served. Okay, you can type, oh, let's check CADJPY daily chart, I'm long, or let's check USD CADJPY daily chart, I'm long. Eddington, Euro JPY, what is your idea, Eddington? Euro JPY, do you want to go short, do you want to go long? Euro JPY, one more and one more. So monthly chart first, then we are going to check the weekly chart, then we are going to check the daily chart, and then we are going to check the 2-hour chart. So we are trying to implement, everybody, what we have learned so far, right? Hello Romer, Eddington, Euro JPY, what is your idea? Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? Market not follow any disclaimer, crude, stop loss. Yeah. This is, everybody, let's be clear. This is the Forex trading course, okay? There is no gold, no crude oil. Yeah, I'm sorry everybody. I know, right? This is not, there are no stocks. Long, I am long on CADJPY right now. Hello Salbakti, AUD. Okay, so let's start with Euro JPY long, and then let me write down Euro JPY long, and then CADJPY long, and then AUD NZD long weekly. Okay, let's try to address everything. So Forex trading week, what we have learned so far, we learned that the market is moving between the two bands. So this is the upper band, this is the lower band, and we said that we need to check on trading view, right? So if I remember correctly, I'm not sure about the upper band, but the lower band is correct. So, and what we have learned so far, structure, extension, retracement, and this is all what we have on the monthly chart. right? So the long-term bias is up. And what is the market doing short term? Short term, the market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then what else we learned, everybody? We learned to use the trend lines, right? Let me just color code this in black. And this is the trend line. Moch Taba, long time no see. How are you? I hope you are well. MJ. Call me MJ, okay. So, everybody, EuroJPY monthly chart, right? Who in here thinks that it's time to go long right now? And who in here thinks that it's time to go short right now? Right now, then we are going to check the daily, the 2-hour chart. No missing data. Okay, thank you, Giuseppe. Grazie. So we are here. This is the monthly chart, everybody. This is what you see. Our long-term bias is up, but the short-term trend on the monthly chart is down. So who in here thinks that it's a good idea to go long right now? Remember, timing is a big part of the trading success, right? If you have the right direction but you enter too soon, then you are going to lose. Yes, MJ. Neither right now. Okay, fair answer. Okay, neither. Anybody else? Long right now, short. Eddington is asking, no uptrend line. No uptrend line. Well, the trend line is a tool that confirms the trend, and the trend is making higher highs, higher lows. So, Eddington, the uptrend line would be without breaking. This would be the uptrend line, like this. So the market broke the uptrend line, and then the market broke the second uptrend line, and right now we are in a downtrend. Akko says not now. Trend is down, but at support. We didn't learn support yet, everybody, so we are going to implement what we learned. And every month you are going to have the Forex trading week, where we are going to implement more and more and more knowledge. MJ, not right now, we have a down trend line. MJ, you can go down if you want, you can short the market. Everybody, as Eddington is asking, if you have your uptrend line like this would be wrong. Okay, so those are the trend lines, and this was market broke this one, it's not valid anymore. This one, it's not valid anymore. Okay, no long trades, no short trades. Okay, so we don't have any direction. Now the weekly chart. The weekly chart, we have more or less the same story, right? And what we have learned? We have learned structure, so extension, retracement, and this is going to be the same, right? And we have the downtrend line on EuroJPY, it's like in here. And the short-term trend, the market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? What about this chart, everybody? What about this chart? Do you want to go long right now, or do you want to short the market right now, or maybe this week, right? Hello, Annie. Romar says short. Okay, now there is one more thing, right? So we are going to project, just maybe this market is locked inside this sideways movement. We learned also this, everybody. We learned about the 5 different market behaviors, right? We learned about this. So just maybe this market is locked inside this sideways channel. So the question is still the same. Who in here wants to go long right now or maybe this week? And who in here wants to short the market? So Romar, are you still sure that you want to short the market? Could be sideways channels. Short with the downtrend line, okay? Salbakti and Romar want to go short. Do you want to short the market right now, Salbakti and Romar, or do you want to wait for a retracement or whatever? Everybody, we didn't learn candlestick formation yet, but look at these candles. Those are the weekly candles, and you can see the big long wicks, and these big long wicks are telling us, everybody, that the market was falling down, touch the sideways channel, and then start to push up. Can go long in lower time frame? Yes, sir, of course. We are just jumping from one time frame to another to see how our perception is going to change and maybe try the long entry with Eddington. This is what we are trying to do, and there is no right or wrong, everybody. You are going to have long traders that are buying the market, and you are going to have traders that are shorting the market. Akos says up right now, or do you want to wait for something, Akos? Short at upper band, or if the market breaks out to the downside, enter on the next counter trendline break. Romar, congratulations, everybody. This is a plan. Romar just posted his plan. He's going to or short again up in here, or he's going to short the market on the next counter trendline break. So Romar, he's going to wait for the market to go long, go long, go long, and maybe on the next counter trendline he's going to short the market. Congratulations, Romar. So this is a plan, everybody, and again, there is no right or wrong. We all have different plans. I would like to see short time frame, but in sync with confirmation. Okay, the sideways part of the down move, therefore short, but wait for the market to go to the other band and then enter short. Great. Waiting for bullish candle. Okay, so nobody is going to short right now and nobody wants to buy right now, right? So we're going to go on the daily chart. Now remember, every time frame has a different structure. So if we had on the monthly, we had on the monthly and on the weekly, we had an up structure, everybody. We have on the daily, we have a down structure. Okay, Passion, why is that? Well, because we learned that structure is defined with the change of the short-term trend, and you have different short-term trends on the daily chart. So this is going to be extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, right? And retracement. So we are here. Now, as you can see, everybody, the short-term trend on the weekly chart equals, not always, but time to time, the short-term trend on the weekly equals structure on the daily, right? So we are here right now, and this is what we are seeing on the daily. So we have this sideways channel, right? Just maybe, you know, we don't have the crystal ball, but we can make a projection and we can prepare ourselves. So the market hit the lower band and we are here right now. Okay, everybody, so Who in here wants to go long right now? And who in here wants to go short right now? And Ako says I'm waiting for the bullish candle, right? So this is the daily chart. Akos is going to wait for this candle to close bullish, everybody. Now, what do we must learn as beginner traders is to be patient and wait for the candle to close. Okay? Triangle breakout waiting. Thank you, Patak. Unfortunately, I don't see a triangle spatially. I'm not so good, you know. I'm not so good. Lesson for the beginner trader. If you enter right now long, everybody, you are entering prematurely. Oh, Passion, but the market touched for the third time the lower band. Yes, this is true. But this doesn't mean that the market is going to go up. So you need to wait, everybody, for a, as Ako said, you need to wait for a confirmation or daily bullish candlestick or maybe a short-term uptrend on the 2-hour chart. Time to shine. Is that the same channel as the weekly or different, sir? It's the same channel, time to shine, sir. It's the same channel, everybody. It's the same channel. So if you are losing more than you're making, you need to check, everybody. So this is a trading rule. Okay? Trading rule. When I identify a potential area of reverse, I hope my English is correct, or a potential area of reversal, I still need to wait and see some kind of confirmation. If not, I am entering prematurely. And this is challenge number 1 for the beginner trader, everybody. This is what you need to learn, this is what you need to overcome. Okay, when I identify a potential area of reversal, like is this sideways channel, right? The market touched the lower band 1, 2, looks like for the third time, but I still need to wait and see some kind of confirmation. So if I'm going to go long right now, I am entering prematurely. And yes, you know, I can win. But if I'm going to win, this is going to be pure luck. No, but the market touched the lower band. It doesn't matter. You need to wait, everybody, some kind of confirmation. If not, you are speculating, you know, this is casino, you know. And of course, you can accept what we are telling you, you can also reject, you know, no, I'm going to enter right now and I know that the market is going up, you know. Yeah, I know some of you know everything, right? Oh, I know the market is going to move up. Maybe you're right, maybe you're wrong. Anyway, you are entering prematurely. Why is that? Because as Ako said, we need to wait for this candle to close. Miguel is saying, I maintain my previous plan here in the daily with the advantage that we do not have to wait as long as with the monthly time frame. Yes, sir. Which has greater force, sir? Candlestick or up structure? Santano, both. There are not time related, okay? So structure gives you a direction and candles are giving you the time of the entry. So the answer is both, okay? So you can be right on the direction that the market should go up. You can project the market going up, but if you enter prematurely, you have bad timing, you know. Miguel says, sorry, weekly Zuelius, could you draw the aggressive downtrend line? Yes, sir, of course. Aggressive downtrend line would be something like this, right? Aggressive downtrend line and stroke. Okay, not the perfect one, because I don't need to break any candles and wicks. Okay. Did it change anything, Zuelius? Did it change your vision right now? Do you want to enter right now, Zuelius? You can enter right now, no problem. But remember, you need to have some kind of confirmation. Remember, everybody will learn this. Remember, in some point in time, why you are entering prematurely. Because in some point in time, today is Monday, today is Tuesday, on Friday the market was like this, and look what happened with the aggressive downtrend line, right? Not the perfect, let me see if I can arrange. So with this aggressive downtrend line on Friday, and I shouldn't not, okay, more or less. On Friday, the market closed like this, see? And some of you thought that is a terrible trend line. I know, Eddington, I'm trying to not break, but I'm trying to make a point here. No, it's true, it's a terrible trend line, but I'm trying to make a point here. So, Zoelius, do you see that the market broke the downtrend line? And as Eddington said, it's not the right and the correct one, but I want to make a point. On Friday, this market closed above the downtrend line. And what happened? Bam! It depends on where you have your stop loss. And this is why, everybody, you need to follow this trading rule. Okay, even though you identify the sideways channel on the monthly, weekly and daily on CADJPY, you still need to wait for the market to show you some kind of confirmation. Okay, so this candle here, it's not enough. What do we want to see? We want to see a change in the short-term trend, right? Maybe not on the daily, maybe on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart. If you untick snap to candle, you can draw the trend line more precisely. Wow, how can I do that? Untick. Let me see. Oh, thank you, right. Thank you, Romer. I didn't know this trick. But still going to be the same. I should not break the body of the candle. But thank you, I didn't know this trick. Thank you. I'm a bit disturbed. You have always said structure has more force than any other of the tools we have available. Miguel, when we talk about direction, the answer is yes. Okay, so everybody listen to Miguel. Okay, so this is structure and this is the uptrend line, and this is maybe the Fibonacci, just maybe, Miguel. Okay, this is the Fibonacci, right? So we are in an up structure, and this is why, everybody, we are telling you watch the webinars over and over and over again, because there is too much information. Okay, so what Miguel is saying is, well, we said the market is going to break the uptrend line. Are we in an up market or are we in a down market? And we said structure has the greatest force. and the market is going to also break our up Fibonacci in here like this, and we asked you, well, are we still in an uptrend, up structure, or are we in a down structure? Should we be looking to buy the market or should we look to short the market? And we said to you, structure is the strongest, and you can confirm this on EuroCAD, everybody. Okay, Miguel? So the answer is still yes. When we talk about the direction, structure is the strongest one. Okay, Miguel? But we are talking right now about timing also. Okay? In 2019, Miguel and everybody else, we were not talking about timing that much, right? But because we want to improve the webinars and teach you every year with more knowledge, so this year we are talking also about timing, right? And we are breaking our balls, you know. Oh, you need to have the right direction and the short-term direction and the timing, you know. If not, you are going to lose. So timing is a great part. So everybody, in conclusion about EUR/JPY, ACOS is going to wait for this candle to close bullish, and on the 2-hour chart, right? 2-hour chart, so we are looking at the same sideways movement. Is here and it's here, here, clone. So this is the sideways movement, everybody, and this is the 2-hour chart. Let's see if you learned anything, everybody, in this month. Who wants to go long on the 2-hour chart right now, and who wants to go short right now on the 2-hour chart? And somebody said to me that I can do Control C and I can go here and Control P. No, it doesn't work. Clone, maybe here, no. Copy and 2-hour. Oh, paste, there you go. Thank you. Everybody, look at this beautiful bullish engulfing candle. We didn't learn about candlesticks yet. Who in here wants to go long right now? And who in here wants to go short right now? Yes, this is, yes. So we are learning this year. Miguel, my teacher, we need to improve our teachings, right? We need to be a better, not just a better trader every year, but we need to be a better teacher every year. Santano, lower time frame up structure can produce confirmation, time frame candlestick confirmation. Can we then take the trade? Everybody, what do you think about Santano's question? Lower time frame has an up structure, in his opinion, can produce a confirmation time frame candlestick confirmation. Can we then take the trade? Akos says short. Romar, not yet. The short-term trend is still down. Okay. Control C, Control V. Thank you, Zuelius. Wait for 2 higher. Vincent, thank you. Vincent said no. Wait for 2 higher highs and 2 higher lows. Thank you, Vincent. Everybody, what Vincent is saying, this is the confirmation. This is a one kind of confirmation that you should be waiting for. Okay? Passion, but I know that the market is going to go up. How can you know? You don't have the crystal ball. And why you don't have the crystal ball? Easy answer, because I have the crystal ball, you know. King, I would be short. I don't see the trend high broken. Higher time frame controls the lower time frame. Yes, sir. Bullish candlestick on our confirmation time frame, so I would wait till the market closes bullish and then the 2 hour has made the 2 hard highs. Great answer, time to shine. 2 lows before going long. Would drawing trend lines help? Yes. One more thing before we move on. CADJPY, everybody. For the traders that want to short the market, what is your so-called technical risk? What is your technical risk, everybody? If you want to short the market right now, or maybe when the market is going to break the counter trend line, because the market is always waving, what is your technical risk? So this is an upgrade to your lessons, everybody. This is an upgrade to your lessons. Concept upgrade. Before entering into a trade, ask yourself, what is the technical risk? And one more, but I lost him in the chat. Okay, so before enter short, what is your technical risk, everybody? Why is this important? Because if you are going to lose, everybody, on both sides, if you are going to lose on the long side, and if you are going to lose, everybody, if you don't use this question takes that we have, yes sir, but there is no right or wrong, and you have some traders that are going to short the next, you know, counter trend line. So what is the technical risk? And as Salbakti, it was me, my technical risk is that could break. The technical risk is the 4 bottoms. The market hit the same area 4 times, right? So if you are going to win, congratulations. If you are going to lose, you know why. You entered against the pattern which is called double bottom, triple bottom, I don't know how to say in English, 4-time bottom, you know. Oh, shorting till the lower band. Okay, so Akos, you want to short from the upper band to the lower, not right now, I guess. Everybody, what you are trying to learn from the Forex trading week is the way how to think. This is what you are trying to learn, so watch these webinars over and over and over again and try to think, okay? You cannot think exactly the same as I do, but try to think somehow, you know, what to check, what to project, what are the concepts, what is wise to do, what is maybe not so wise to do. Quadruple, thank you. Right now too. Okay. Everybody, Akos want to short right now. What is his technical risk? What is his technical risk, everybody? Akos want to short right now. What is his technical risk? What are the probabilities of his short trade to be a winner? You can see the chart, right? And one more, we can jump from the 2-hour chart to the 15-minute chart, 30 minutes maybe. Let's see, I don't think it's going to be enough candles. Let me see. Let's wait for the software to respond. Now let me add more. 15-minute chart, maybe. 15-minute chart. Do I have? Oh, I have it. Where is the 15-minute? Oh, I do have it, the 15-minute chart. Bad risk reward ratio. Okay. Akos, you are on the 15-minute chart. What is the market doing? Is the market doing lower lows, lower highs, or is the market doing higher highs, higher lows? Bad risk reward ratio, it is lower lows, lower highs. Bullish candle 2, yes sir. It's 50% uptrend in the 2-hour time frame. No, it's 25. You don't have a high yet, Salbakti. To get in, only short time in the trade. Aquas, you are on the 15-minute chart. What is the market doing? Is the market doing higher highs, higher lows, or is the market doing lower lows, lower highs? What is the market doing? Uptrend 25, yes sir. This is the 15-minute chart. If you go short right now, are you going against the short-term trend on the 15-minute chart or not? Akos and everybody else, help Akos out. He wants to short the market right now. And we said on the 2-hour chart we have a bullish candle. Is this one? Bullish engulfing candle. Now we are on the 15-minute chart. If you enter shorting the market right now, are you going against the short-term trend on the 15-minute chart, or are you going with the short-term trend on the 15-minute chart? Akos and everybody else, come on. It's easy here in class. Then you are going to be alone in your room with your trading platform and you are going to think like this. Going down? No sir, it's not going down anymore. It went lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then it reversed, Akos, making higher highs, higher lows, higher high. So this is what you need to train yourself, everybody. This is what you should spatially understand. You have a change in the short-term trend. Okay, Akos, if you are going to enter right now shorting the market, you are going against the short-term trend. Okay, and Akos, you learned crowns. This high is higher than those two highs. Okay, Akos, 15 minutes has an up structure, cannot go short. Well, he can do anything he wants. We can do anything we want, right? There is no right or wrong, everybody, but you need to address what is your technical risk. And the technical risk is that I'm going against the short-term trend. The market is not making lower lows, lower highs anymore. If you want to have more highs and lows, okay, it's not making more higher highs, higher lows. Okay. Stop loss risk high? No sir, you have the 5 last bearish candlesticks. It doesn't matter, Akos. It really doesn't matter. If you want to go, so let's try to implement what we have learned. If you want to go short, you should wait for the retracement. And now, everybody, listen to this. It's a great example. Thank you, Akos. Listen to this. If you want to go short right now, some of you are spatially seeing that the market is up. Some of you, as Akos, are spatially seeing that the market is down. Now, before entering to short the market, wait for the market to make a retracement, and from this retracement, one or two things are going to happen. Or the market is going to push up and you are going to lose if you are short, everybody, or the market's going to break. The market's going to break the counter trend line and you are going to win. Okay? Either way, Akos, I would suggest you not to short the market. This is a beginner mistake, everybody. Oh, the candle is moving, I need to go short. No, this would be a mistake. Oh, but the market is moving. Yes, the market is moving right now, but let's check in about a minute or two. You know? Enter with counter trendline breaks. We learned the market wave. The best entries are when the retracements are over. Those are the best entries. They offer the best risk reward ratio and the best probability of success. And most importantly, everybody, the market wave keeps you out of the trade where is not the time to enter. So use the market wave, enter when where is the end of the retracement. Okay? And again, you can accept what we are teaching you, you can reject Akos, you can go short, no problem. But if you ask me, I would wait for the market to break, make a retracement and enter on the next counter trendline break. But remember, you have a big technical risk and it's the quadruple bottom, I believe. Oh, Santano, in fact, counter trendline would be a long opportunity. Yes, sir. King, can we check if the more aggressive trendline are broken? Yes, King, tell me on what time frame. Miguel, on the 2 hour is 25 because it's not confirmed high, correct. Yes, time to shine, you are correct. You are correct, time to shine. So, Canada JPY, let's check. Any questions about the Euro JPY, everybody? Eddington, any questions? You asked about Euro JPY. Any questions, everybody? Eddington, any questions? Can we move on Canada JPY and then on AUD NZD? We have 15-17 more minutes, so we can address Canada JPY, maybe not AUD NZD, Miguel, but we can do this tomorrow. And again, everybody, watch these webinars again over and over. There are a lot of information too, like the trading rule and the concept upgrade, you know. Thank you, Eddington. Okay, no questions. So next, Canada JPY, Canada JPY, Canada JPY, Canada JPY, Canada JPY, Canada JPY, Canada JPY monthly chart. Akos says he is long right now. Okay, everybody, I'm not sure about the lower band, I'm sure, but I'm not sure about the upper band. Anyway, this is the monthly chart on Canada JPY. So the long-term bias is up. The long-term bias is up. What is the market doing? Well, the market is changing quite a lot. So we were in an uptrend, the market broke the uptrend line, and now right now we are in a, this would be the higher high, we are in a downtrend. In the meantime, the market was making higher highs, higher lows until here. The market was making lower lows, lower highs until here. The market was making higher highs, higher lows until here. And the market was making lower lows and lower highs until here. So this is the mess. Patak, okay, no problem. So this is the mess. Either way, everybody, delete, 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 delete. We are here right now. Long-term bias is up. Short-term on the monthly chart, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Market, the market wave, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Okay. From the monthly chart, who wants to go long right now and who wants to go short right now? Who wants to go long? Who wants to go short? I want to re-enter again. What currency pair? Head and Shoulders. Wow, I didn't see this. I didn't see this, thank you. Head and Shoulders. Left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Thank you, I didn't see this. Akos, you want to re-enter on what currency pair? Monthly? I mean CADJPY. Okay everybody, we don't have 30 more minutes, so for the traders, if we are going to use the concept that we have learned, it's time to go long right now. No, it's not. Why is that? Because we don't have any confirmations from anywhere, right? Okay, yes, we are touching this level of support, but we didn't learn support yet. So just looking at the market, okay, going up, maybe not right now. Going short, well, maybe yes, right, market is falling. This one on the 4 hours, so let's see. CADJPY weekly chart. The picture is going to be most likely the same. We have the lower band. Our long-term bias is up. And the downtrend line. And this is the market. Right, so can we go long right now because the long-term bias is long, or can we short the market right now? Right, so, and maybe, just maybe, we have a counter trendline break. Everybody, this would be a yes, but remember, because we are on the weekly chart, we need to wait for this candle to close, right? Akos, my friend, we didn't learn about RSI and the Stohastic. Would favor short, but it's near the band, so neither. Okay, and again everybody, just maybe this market is sideways. Just maybe this market is sideways. Okay. Okay, so this is it, and clone. Okay, one more clone. Okay, so no long trade for us on the weekly, everybody, and no short trade. Oh, but the market broke the market is breaking the uptrend line, the counter trend line. This candle is a weekly candle. We need to wait until Friday to close. So no trade. Let's go on the daily quickly. Okay, so we have the same, right? The same picture more or less. Down trend line. Something like this, right? And this is down, not the perfect one, of course. And structure, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension till here. And this is what we are seeing on the daily chart, right? Everybody, so I'm going to delete this one. And we said that maybe we are in a sideways channel in here. Akos, if you ask me if you want to re-enter right now, you are going against the short-term trend. And if you are going to enter, everybody, those are the rules, okay? It's not me. I don't know, oh, FXPassion is so no, those are the rules. If you enter long from the 4-hour time frame, your confirmation time frame is the daily. Okay? And if you enter right now, this daily candle, it's not bullish yet. Why not? Because you need to wait until the end of the day for the candle to close. So if you are going long right now, you are entering prematurely. But you can go short right now based on the rules, everybody. Remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice. And we have one more. Okay, so if you want to go long right now, you would enter prematurely because you need to wait for the candle to close. But you can go short if you want, because you have a close body candle on the other side of the uptrend line. Romar is saying, but going short also is risky because we are near the lower band. Yes and no, Romar. You can short the market on the 1 hour time frame, and you need to manage the trade, right? So with yes and no, we need a retracement, then enter short. Okay, lower high, yes sir. Passion, you should consider working more hours. Your students are hungry for knowledge. King, I know we talked about this, but there is too much information. We tried to do 2 hours. I don't remember, it was 2018 or 17, I don't remember. But it doesn't work. There is too much information, King. Too late to the party. Technical risk in short has higher technical risk. Well, yes, of course, this trade is not perfect, right? Because if you want to go long, the best place would be this band or maybe this band. And if you want to go short, the best place would be this one. But we are here right now. So, do you want to go long? Wait for the candle to close bullish and wait for the market to show you a change in the short-term trend on the 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, whatever. Or short the market right now, but you need to be careful to manage your trade. Why is that? Because, as Romar said, we are almost at the lower band. And if you see these candles here touched this level and went up. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. See you back tomorrow with another day of the Forex trading week. Miguel, tomorrow we are going to address first AUD and ZD, okay? Salbakti, we don't have time, my friend. I need to finish. We're going to check tomorrow the 1 hour time frame, okay, Salbakti? Sir, so in that case, when the candlestick closes, it closes 10 p.m. European time. How do you navigate that at AM? Time to shine. You don't need to. I mean, if you sleep, you know. You have, if you want, you have the stop orders to take you in. You can project an entry if you want, but don't lose your sleep, everybody, because of the market. You have plenty of opportunities during the when you are awake. It doesn't matter, Japanese session, Asian session, European session, USA session. You have plenty opportunities, everybody. Don't lose sleep. Okay, see you back tomorrow. Stay strong and trade with passion. This is FXPassion signing off.